We often hear about meteorites or asteroids that have crashed or will crash into the Earth. But where do these celestial objects come from? And how many of them are there in total? Most of these bodies are gathered in a circle around the Sun, called the main belt or asteroid belt. There are many more asteroids in the solar system than there are planets. Researchers discover several thousand each year. Located between Mars and Jupiter, the asteroid belt consists of billions of asteroids of all sizes, the largest of which have a diameter of about 1,000 kilometers, and the smallest, the size of a pebble. These rocky bodies vary greatly in shape, with the largest being spherical and the smallest irregularly shaped. These rocks are composed of nickel, iron, or silicates. For a long time, scientists believed that this asteroid belt was a remnant of an ancient planet that exploded for unknown reasons. But it is now generally recognized that perturbations caused by Jupiter's gravitational pull prevented these rocks from coming together to form a planet. In 1801, Giuseppe Piazzi, then director of the Palermo Observatory in Sicily, discovered the first asteroid, Ceres, named after the Roman goddess of agriculture. It is the largest known asteroid of the main belt. With a diameter of about 1,000 kilometers, Ceres is considered a dwarf planet, the only one in existence among other asteroids. By 1807, explorers had discovered 3 more massive asteroids, Pallas, Juno, and Vesta. In 1845, another asteroid, Astrea, was discovered. Since then, thanks to the explosion of astronomical observations, hundreds of thousands of other asteroids have been spotted. Asteroids are small, rocky bodies similar to terrestrial planets such as Earth or Mars, and studying them gives mankind very valuable information about the formation of planets. Since these bodies have not undergone any external changes other than mutual collisions, their characteristics and physical properties allow us to better understand our own origins. It is currently hypothesized that the asteroid belt originated from primitive material in the solar system, material that never managed to form into a planet. For a long time, researchers believed that this collection of rocks came from the debris of an ancient planet, called Phaeton, located between Mars and Jupiter. For unknown reasons, this planet broke up into several parts, giving rise to the main asteroid belt. Currently, this hypothesis has been abandoned for several reasons, the main of which is that the total mass of the belt is only a fraction of the mass of our moon, which is too small to represent the remains of an ancient planet. Recall that the asteroid belt was formed by gravitational disturbances created by Jupiter. A dozen asteroids of quite significant size, about 250 kilometers in diameter, were discovered. Today it is known that several hundred such bodies touch the Earth's orbit. It is believed that they originate from the asteroid belt and were deflected quite recently, on an astronomical scale. That is, over the last 100 million years. Contrary to what many science fiction movies believe, crossing the asteroid belt with a spacecraft would not be very dangerous, and the risk of collision with an asteroid would be minimal. It should be noted that the space between each asteroid of the main belt is huge. In the densest regions, the distance between 2 asteroids is about 5 million kilometers, 15 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon. Several probes have already crossed the asteroid belt. None of them have collided with an asteroid. Asteroid, a future means of transportation for humans. What if I told you that NASA is currently studying the possibility of capturing and towing an asteroid less than 10 meters long, so that it will not cause damage if it collides with the Earth, and putting it into orbit around the Moon? NASA is looking very carefully at the possibility of sending humans to Mars starting in the 2020s, and they are exploring all possible modes of transportation to do so. In a few years, they plan to send a robotic spacecraft capable of capturing and delivering an asteroid to us. There are also plans to send humans to the asteroid for exploration by around 2025. An asteroid in lunar orbit could be used as a fuel depot and perhaps even a launch pad for missions to Mars, which would be much less complicated and expensive than launching spacecraft from Earth. In addition, NASA believes that mining resources on asteroids could allow oxygen and hydrogen to be used to create breathable air, drinking water, and even fuel. If we can capture an asteroid, deflect it, and put it into orbit around the moon, we have all the keys to success in developing methods to prevent an asteroid from colliding with Earth. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about space.